Hey everyone, Big Wheel here with a southern snowstorm. The Charlotte area, 3 to 6 inches. Could be closer to 6 in many areas. Get west and north of town and the higher elevation, may get 7. Triad area, Raleigh, about 4 inches. Down towards Lumberton, Fayetteville, about 4 inches as well. And the Outer Banks, going to have 5 to 8 inches with high winds, blizzard conditions on the Outer Banks and the nearby Inner Banks, North Carolina. Hampton Roads, 2 to 4 inches. South Carolina, 6 inches in the upstate, down to about an inch south of Charleston. Stay safe, Southerners.